How to turn on or turn off Samsung Internet Sync on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen and then open up your Samsung Internet app. Next, tap on the menu key at the bottom and then tap on Settings. In Settings at the top, tap on the left hand side panel. Then tap on the toggle button to turn it off or turn on Samsung Internet Sync. Once it is turned on, you can also choose which section to sync. So we can sync saved pages, bookmarks, open tabs, quick access, or history. And that's it. So select what you want to sync. By default, all of them are turned on to sync. And finally, you can tap on the Sync Now button to sync it to the server. After that, you can tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.